Okay, you guys caught me. My secret is exposed. Can't hide it any longer. I wasn't trying to do wild colors. I just love SpongeBob. Meet SpongeBob, meet Patrick. Patrick, SpongeBob. Complete accident, but it's really awesome I can say that. Yesterday, I was going to film, but I had every worst thing possible happen with this. The previous owner who installed these coilovers did not put anti-seize on the bottom nut right there, whatever you want to call it, collar. I have absolutely shredded some of these to bits, so it's extremely hard to get. I know what you guys are gonna say. Apply heat, apply PB Blaster. I have applied every single thing possible, let it sit for 24 hours. The only thing I haven't done is gotten an air hammer. So I think my dad has one. I'll drive it to his shop sometime this next week, and we're gonna do more low. I really wanna change the alignment and make the fitment better on this car. But for right now, we're not gonna be able to do that. So I gotta put these wheels back on. We've got an interesting day today. I also decided to nix these. They fit fine, but these are 7.5 millimeter, and I really just want 5 millimeter. They're just big enough to where the studs have a hard time fitting through, and I don't have enough threads. So I'm gonna nix these. I'm gonna return these to O'Reilly's, and I actually have some 5 millimeters that I'm supposed to be getting in the mail today. So we're gonna make the fitment sick if it actually ends up getting here today. Amazon, it's on you. God, it's humongous. I can't wait for this. This week, baby. This week. Before I forget, we finally have windshield banners available. These ones that you have been literally asking me about for months, we finally decided to get some. These are nice, sleek, clean, they're matte black, they're cut out, so they just look amazing on the inside. We finally got it developed, and we're gonna be doing pre-sale only. So if you want one, we're gonna put it on pre-sale probably sometime next week. Along with jet tags. We finally are gonna have jet tags this next week as well, or this week. So keep your eyes out for that. Go to 53supply.com, but we finally will have these. So if you want these, we're gonna do pre-sale only one time. So if you miss it, we're not selling them again. So make sure you guys grab these. And you guys have been asking for these for months. The guy who bought my Porsche is bringing it back to me. It is too loud. It's too loud for him. And he wants to get like an extended warranty or something like that, and they won't warranty it with the headers. So I told him, well, if you give me the headers back, I'll install the stock ones for you. So he's bringing it over, and we're gonna make it quieter again. Bummer for him, because that sounds amazing, but hey, if anybody wants some headers, I'm gonna have them for sale. I'm just kidding. The guy is actually coming over so we can install this. Yeah, dude, on the Porsche. And just so he gets out of our way today, I'm gonna just watch this. My dog Clutch loves playing with my mom's dog. His name is Coda. The second I say ride or Coda, he loses his mind. Check this out. Go for a ride. Oh, no, I got you. Let me go play with Coda. Coda? Okay, let's go. Yeah! Yeah, dude. So exciting. Nope, that's not your place. Crazy Coda. Good boy. Oh my gosh, there it goes. Have fun, dog. Easy enough. Let's go work on this Porsche. Make it quieter. Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, man, just pulled in. I'm just not quite sure where to go.
And after you do that, you literally cannot miss my house.
Okay.
I'll be outside. Damn, dude, I missed this car. Kind of. I mean, a little bit. Like, it's cool, but oh man, this is sick. The guy just dropped it off. He's gonna go get an Uber just to go do some stuff around town, but he's like, yeah, I really like it. This car's a dream. So I'm really happy he bought it and really loves it. Let's get him taken care of. I'm not gonna film much of it. It's literally just putting stock exhaust back on. It's gonna take me probably an hour or two. So I'll get it buttoned up, and we'll, God, I hate making cars quieter, but it's for the customer. Oh, well, rest in pepperonis. Amazing headers. Let's put the quiet boys back on.
eternity later.
Got it, baby! Let's go! Right here. Right here. Took me an hour to get that freaking bolt. Let's put the stocky boys back on. Yay! Dude, it sucks so much that he's got to replace these. Those are such nice headers. Look at these fat boys. Look at these fat boys. Look at these fat, ugly boys. Those don't make good noise. Those make good noise. I'm already tired of having this car in my possession again, so this is good. This is good. I'm glad I'm doing this. It's like a once and for all, like, get out of my life day. Goodbye, Porsche. Let's get this piece of crap on here and get out of my garage.
A few moments later.
I don't know how dirty I am. It looks like I'm pretty bad, but I finally got her buttoned up. We got the big fat man. Let me tell you boys what. This car is not that bad to work on, but it sucks to work on it by yourself. It is not a fun job. So I'm just been here chilling, listening to music for the past like 2.5 hours. It's been really nice and kind of relaxing, but let me tell you what, do not miss working on this car. I don't recommend building a Porsche because it's just incredibly difficult. It made me kind of reminisce back to California when I lived there and I was working on this car. It was how hard of a time I had getting this exhaust to get figured out. Damn, like how difficult of a time I had putting these Fortunato's on. I definitely don't miss it. And I'm also sitting here looking at this big boy out here in the front. I'm like, you know what, damn dude, I am absolutely by no means upset that I got rid of this car. And this car too, damn boy, this is so good. I love my current garage. And this car is sick, but it's not the Porsche that I really always wanted. I know I said it was my dream car, but my dream car was a Porsche. I think what I really want is a 911. I think I really want I want a 991 GT3, or even a 997. Those are some of my favorites, and I think that's someday on a Porsche again. I also just tweeted on Twitter, of course I tweeted on Twitter, a picture of this, and I was like, well, I guess I got some explaining to do. And there's some funny comments, funny responses. I think you guys just want to see the worst possible things happen to me. Like, oh, returned it, you sucker. Before I patch everything up, put the wheels back on and stuff, I'm gonna turn the car on. I want to see how she sounds again, but I need to make sure that there's no leaks. I need to make sure that everything works okay. If it doesn't, I think I might rather die because I do not want to get back into this car. I don't want to do it. Oh, quiet boy. Let's turn this back on. And the valves open. That is so much quieter. Listen to this. All right, we're good. Let's get this patched up and get this car out of my life for forever. Yeah, yeah. Get out of here. Let's go. Get down. Get you out of here, baby. I don't want you no more. Get out of here, dog. Good riddance. Man, that car looks good, but peace out for good. Never come back here. So I've been eating pizza, and it's in my teeth, and I don't want to be gross. Got some cool stuff to show you guys. Check it out. Got some, oh my god, tools are everywhere. Pizza gang. This right here for now. That's not a good place. We got a couple different things to open today, and I'm very excited about it. First things first. I think I said something about this in the beginning of the video. Oh baby, that is so nice. So much smaller than the other ones. These are 5mm spacers, made out of aluminum, so they're super light. Now the wheels, now the NT03s will fit so much better. They'll fit a little bit nicer and more meaty, but they also will not rub on the inside of the coilover. That's our goal, baby. I've been doing a lot of exhaust stuff lately, and I'm pretty sure you guys know that. I've definitely noticed this by now, but I ordered this at 10 o'clock last night playing Fortnite, and it's already here. I love Amazon. This is a resonator for my 1JZ. It sounds tight. The car sounds amazing, but you know, I have to agree with some of you guys. I kind of want to tone it down, and I want to tone it, period. I know that 1Js love to breathe, but they obviously come with mufflers and resonators from the factory. So I want to make the car sound more like a Supra, not just a straight piped Japanese car. As sick as it sounds, I want it to sound like a modified tuned car, not just something we just slapped a pipe on and called it a day. One last thing, check it out. This is so sick. One of the last pieces to the puzzle for the big turbo Evo build is a clutch. Action Clutch is a sponsor, a full sponsor on this build. So I'm gonna show you guys the big boy, the massive meaty boy that we just got. So nice. Currently, I don't have an action clutch on my Lexus, but when I get a new Trans, I'm gonna get an action clutch. I really like what they do. They make really good products, and they make good products. Oh, Daddy! Ooh, damn. Turbo, you see this? You see this? Look at that, you jealous, dude? Check this out, dog. This is some good parts right here. Damn, that's a 6-puck, boys. That's a nice 6-puck, so we're gonna anti-daily this thing. It's gonna be nice, not really. This has a 6-puck in it and it's just fine. So, it is sprung, thank God. If it wasn't sprung, I would die inside, I think. Oh, got some goodies, boys. You already know action clutch, gotta hook it up with that shirt.
Don't look sexy? That's right, boy.
Stickers, a piece of paper with words on it. I went to college, I don't gotta read no more. Alignment tool, and this is a sick, look how sick this housing looks. It's a nice, cool color of red. Their decal is on it. This is sick. I'm so stoked to get this on this car, and I'm honestly just so ready to get this Zevo build going. I'm still waiting on my turbo manifold. It was supposed to have been done Friday, but I haven't heard any updates yet. The second that manifold gets here, we're starting on the build. And a lanyard, thank you so much, Action Clutch. I am so stoked to work with these guys. These guys are awesome, they're really cool. I worked with Eric and he is a super solid guy. So lots of parts to install, exhaust stuff on there, wheels, stance stuff on the Evo, and power stuff on the Evo. I'm stoked, okay? I am excited. I wish I could explain to you guys. I actually just ended the video before I did this, went upstairs, took a shower, and it was really nice, but I was like, I got out of the shower, I was like, damn, I really want to see what these faces look like. Since the other ones fit pretty decently, I know these are gonna fit just fine. I'm actually a dingus. I don't know what I actually am dumb. Hello? There we go. That's what I was trying to do. That other way was dumb. Now that the wheel is on, I can see that there's a ton more thread in there than there used to be, so it looks like this is gonna work. She actually torques down more than 2 threads, so I'm saying that this is good. This is safe. There we go, boys. That right there is just enough to clear so that the back of the tire doesn't hit, and this fitment is perfect. You know, the wheels turned a bit, you can actually see I can go a little bit more low because the tire's at 275 is stretched just a little bit on the 10.5. Go a little lower, which I'm excited about. Somehow I'll have to figure out how to get this car lower. I'm gonna try and use an air wrench, I guess, to impact, or I don't know. I'll figure it out, but it looks awesome. I'm probably still gonna go ahead and get extended studs and open-ended lug nuts as well because hot boy, but for now, this setup is solid. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And we finally got to say a nice, peaceful, long goodbye to the Porsche. Definitely zero regrets because I have this car now. And this car takes up enough of my time to where I definitely don't need a damn Porsche. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you know any old men that own a Cayman that want these headers, please help me sell them because they're gonna take up space in my garage. It's gonna make me angry, so thank you guys again for watching. I love you all. Peace out and be victorious.